Hi everyone, it's Nick here from Noterro. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create notes using our Scribe feature. All you have to do is talk about the treatment, how the person presented, and we'll handle the rest. And best of all, you can scribe in between treating patients or clients. So let's go ahead and take a look on how you would scribe. You'd click on the appointment, click Add Note, select your template, click Scribe, and then click the microphone. And all you have to do is start talking about the treatment. Mr. Bird presented with low back pain, complaining of a burning type pain radiating down the posterior aspect of his leg. You can go on and talk about the treatment itself, maybe the medications are on, the assessment you performed, anything you need to do, and then you click Upload. When the upload is complete, you'll click the X, and that's it. And you're ready to go on and treat your next patient or client. And at the end of the day, you'll click on your dashboard, scroll to the pending scribe section, and you will review all your scribes. And so this starts with the first one, and all you have to do is determine whether what has been returned is what you want to say. You can make modifications to it. You can push it into specific sections or not push it into sections of the note. And you have two options. You can add it to the note or add and finalize. If you click add and finalize, if you're happy with everything, your note is done, and that's all you need to do, and then you will move on to the next note. So at the end of the day, all your scribes will be queued up for you, and you review them, push them into the note, either finalize, and it has saved you an absolutely tremendous amount of time because you've scribed in between patients or clients, and now you get to review everything that you did at the end of the day and push the information or the content into a note. That's it, you're done, and you've saved a tremendous amount of time. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.